Bright, tangy, and crunchy, this coleslaw is perfect for an outdoor picnic or as a fresh side dish for any meal. Featuring C60 Power Avocado Oil, it's packed with health-enhancing fats and bursting with flavor from fresh veggies and zesty seasonings. Who wants to go on a picnic? This is my favorite coleslaw recipe, hands down, bar none, super simple and delicious. And now, with the addition of C60 Power's EVOO, it's even more nutritious than before. So let's get cooking. There's a couple of key ingredients in this coleslaw. Obviously, you always need to use cabbage. So you can either use green cabbage or red cabbage. In this case, I might use both. And then some shredded carrots. We're going to dice up some celery. We're going to use a little bit of apple cider vinegar, which is great for managing your blood sugar. Now, we can either use regular plain old salt, or we can use celery salt to add a little extra flavor. A little bit of pepper, some dill or celery seed, which adds a nice little umami flavor into the coleslaw dressing. And then, of course, for brightness and acid, we're going to pop a little bit of lemon juice into our coleslaw dressing. First, to make the dressing, we need the juice of 1 lemon. Then we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. So I need to give this a quick little shake, get all the goodness of the apple cider vinegar from the bottom. Uno, dos. Then we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of C60 Power EVOO. Now we're going to add in the seed. You can use some celery salt instead of regular salt. A little bit of pepper. We need a couple of teaspoons of Dijon mustard. Now I'm just going to cut up the celery very, very finely. So now we're going to put about 3 cups of cabbage. I'm just going to use the red cabbage for this one. 1 cup of carrots. And then we're going to put in 2 stalks of celery. This is a recipe that you want to potentially keep overnight. Now we're going to pour in the dressing. We're going to give it a quick toss. Look at that. And voila, we have a delicious, nutritious coleslaw to bring to any picnic. Power Picnic Coleslaw with C60 EVOO. You can also use C60's Power Avocado Oil if you'd prefer. I like the flavor of the EVOO after trying it a couple of times, but the avocado oil is just as delicious and just as nutritious as the EVOO.